Welcome back to your #1 channel, San Antonio Home Tours, with your host, Aaron Perez. Today we're going back to the Merdian as well to check out the floor plan called the Jordan. This is a 4-bed, 3.5 bath home. You could get this home for as little as $14,000 down and 2.99% interest minimum starting. Before I take you guys inside to tour the home, just want to show you in relevance of where it's at in the city. So as you can see here in San Antonio, the Merdian by AshtonWoods is approximately 21 minutes from downtown San Antonio. So just to kind of give you an idea, everything in San Antonio typically without traffic takes about 20 minutes. I will tell you with traffic, it's probably double. So you're looking about maybe 40 minutes. But this is just giving you guys a rough idea of kind of where it's at. It's a straight shot into downtown or right back home. So with that being said, go ahead, follow me, and enjoy this tour. Should you see yourself living here, give me a ring, we can negotiate, or find this exact floor plan maybe in another community. Enjoy the tour.